Hey guys, this is Lori with LM's Crafty Creations, and I am here to share with a project that I've done with you. This project is a very simple album. It was done using the Carta Soak Up the Sun collection, which is an older collection. I've had it in my stash for a while, and I made this. This is 6x8 is the album. On the cover, I just layered some cardstock with a cut apart, and then on the spine, I did these beautiful eyelet flowers that I thought coordinated with the collection. I thought it looked really cute. And then there is the back. And then on the inside, I've done a belly band, and there are just several photo mats with the cut aparts that I've done, decorated, and they just slip right in there. I loved this horse in the collection, the carousel horse, and so I made that into a little flip out. Like I said, this is a really simple album, and each one I did a photo mat where you could put more photos. This one I did a pocket and used the kind of like the, what is it? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Like collage paper. And then right here, I've left the sun open, and then this bottom one too, so you could tuck your photo in between there. And there is a photo mat in the pocket. Here, there's a little belly band, an ice cream truck sticker, and this one says Happy Go Lucky. And then just two super cute cut aparts from the collection. Really cute album for summer memories. Here, I have another cut apart, and it's just another flip, so you could put photos on both sides. And then there is the photo mat that I decorated that's in the pocket. This one has just some stickers that I layered, and then another flip up there, and I just left it blank so you could put your photo, and then you could put a photo here as well. I've added some stickers here and done a simple pocket, and there are those photo mats. And then here is this pull out. Again, another, this one actually pulls out all the way, so you could add photos on all of the sides, as well as the page itself. I did a little, there's a magnetic closure here, and I did a little waterfall for 4x4 photos right here. There's one more. And there's a photo mat in here, and I've left this open where you could tuck your photo behind it. And there's paper on both sides. I did a cut apart here, a little sticker from the collection, and this photo mat is actually attached. And this one is a pull out. And here is this photo mat. This paper was so cute. Sticker from the collection here. And then I did, let's see, is that a booklet? No, that's plain. This one is a booklet. And then I have larger photo mats in the pocket at the top. And then right here, there is a cute cut apart. And then a photo mat there. And then another one. This one actually pulls out, and you could do some journaling on this space. And there's a pocket right here. The album is kind of similar to my, gosh, what was it? Here's this photo mat. Wow, what was that album? It was a home-themed album by Simple Stories, I think. Again, another cut apart where you can journal your bucket list for the summer, tucked in here. And then on the last part, you can put a photo here. But I can't remember the name of that album that I've done that is similar to this one. It's a 6x8, and this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8 pages in this album. But you did see that the page designs were pretty simple. So let me know in the comments if you would like for me to do a tutorial on this. It is very easy, but I wouldn't mind giving you some measurements and going through it with you in a tutorial if y'all are interested. So let me know. I do have this album in my shop as well, in my Etsy shop, which is also lmscraftycreations.com. Not .com. What am I doing? It's an Etsy shop. The name is LM's Crafty Creations, and I will link it down below so you can see the past albums that I have that are available for purchase. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.